Gold prices falling from a record high. This after the White House announced plans to issue an executive order addressing what they're describing as misinformation about potential tariffs on gold bars. And joining us right now to discuss all of this is Urs Dur, principal at Zeus Industrial. Good morning to you. Help us understand what this either misinformation is or is not.
Well, all I know is what we've been reading. So let's see what the EO says. But if it is a 39% tariff on gold, that would have been over the last, year, $24 billion worth of tariffs from Swiss gold alone. And that changes the price dynamic of gold. There's three legs of gold trading in the world, Switzerland, London, and New York. If you make gold more scarce, it's finite. It's going to push the price higher, right? So it causes disruption, and uncertainty has pushed gold higher in the first place. So there you have it.
What do you make, by the way, of the fact that gold has risen and yet the equity market has remained relatively high? Sometimes these things go in the opposite directions. Right.
So it's interesting. I was on in March and I was saying there might be better trades than gold, and it was at a record high and it went up yet another $300-400. The market's also rebounded after Liberation Day very well. And so people seem happy, investors seem happy there. But we have the dollars weakening. We have an expectation of interest rates coming down. There's still a tremendous amount of geopolitical uncertainty, as you can see from events around the world that are intense at this moment. We have a summit coming up next Friday with Putin and Trump. This kind of uncertainty keeps gold up there, as well as the dollar's been weakening despite interest rates staying the same. So as the dollar weakens, gold gets more valuable. So there's various fundamentals that are pushing this. A lot of uncertainty helps it.
Do you want to relate this to what's going on in crypto?
Yeah, I don't know enough about crypto to be overly critical of it. All I know is that it's new, that it is.
You don't have to be critical of it. You could be bullish on it. I'm just trying to understand one of the things that we are seeing.
Yeah. No, I fundamentally, I think I understand it. I like it. I think it's here to stay. But I sound a little critical in that gold has this 75-year CAGR of 9%, and crypto's brand new and all over the place. So, if I'm going to be an investor and I just want a nice return in something that's safe and finite, I'm going to go to gold. If I want to gamble, I'm going to go to crypto.
How many troy ounces was that, the base of that glass thing that Tim Cook gave Donald, the president, do you think? Or
24 carats, right?
I don't know, so I wouldn't know, but that's quite a nice gift. Yeah, I wouldn't think that Trump is creating policies to generate his own wealth in his gold holdings. I hold gold in my own PA, but I wouldn't know how much that weighs.
I mean, $1 million of gold is not. How many? What do you buy now? You can't buy Krugerrands anymore, can you? They're long gone. Or what do you buy? Like a Canadian maple something or other, or American Eagle?
I mean, there's a lot of coins out there that you can buy physically. There's gold bars that you can buy. The kilo bar in Switzerland has been preferred.
I mean, $1 million worth of gold is like you could put that in a little safe.
Carry it around.
So, and there are a lot of people who do that, believe it or not, in Fairfield County and Westchester County.
Yeah, we got to go. How long is the lift line? And I just want to know about the snow quality behind you there.
Oh, well, that's just a favorite hotel of mine. I'm Swiss by background as well, so I'm sort of watching this Swiss tariff situation pretty closely. But yeah, no, it just keeps me cool in the summer. It's just
I just thought maybe you get a little slushy given all the sun you got on that. All the sun on the snow there.
That's a shot I took last February, and it was stunning, and it's a great place to go skiing. But right now, it's hiking.